welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot. So, as you have already seen the title, we are going to look into the thoughts of the person you have on your mind, and we will start looking by having one significator card so that we can look as to what actually they are thinking about. So, what is the person on my viewer's mind thinking about them? This one. And we have these small cards. What is the person on the mind? Person viewing this is thinking of them. I think this also wants to come out. Yes. So what is the card? It says the garden and the gate. Number 30. Are you at distance? Or maybe there is something on hold between you both. Something. Let's not jump into the conclusions. We have let go. See, I was talking about there is something you in distance with them. Make room for the new beginnings on its way to you now. Okay. So I definitely see, my dear sunbirds, that the person you are thinking of person that is on your mind is somewhere you both are having this distance between you both, and there is a sense of you that wants to have something with them, but seems like they are quiet or maybe they are distant, and you are somewhere here where you are trying to let go of them, or maybe somewhere make room for your self. Let us see. We have long distance relationships. I miss him. I wish the pillow was her. I definitely see that you are at distance with this person. You are my everything, and we have two of cups. So yes, there is a strong attraction. There is a strong connection between you both, and I still see there is some transformation going here because we have two butterflies. So there is a major transformation that is going on between you both. Either they are distant or maybe you are distant, but I'm feeling that it is you who has made them limit, or you are the one that has created those boundaries. That was the confirmation. And I can also see that somewhere deep inside your person feels a longing to come to you, and they also feel a sense of attraction towards you, that it is something that they are losing upon and they should take action upon. Because by two of cups here, I'm picking up that they are feeling to come to you. they are they're getting the idea that you were the only thing, and you were someone who was making them happy, but some way or the other things didn't work out between you both, and I see you both in distance with each other, maybe not communicating. This can be a no contact situation as well. So spirit, please come through. What is the guidance for my sunbirds on the person of their mind? Okay, we have Prince of Cups. Okay, the filmmaker. He definitely, he or she, whatever they may be, I'm not picking up genders, but the energy. So take it as it resonates. But I'm picking up that this person feels as if you are their muse. Yes, as if you are someone who's in their main, as if you are their main heroine or their main hero in the film, or they just have the eyes on you. Maybe they have put you on a pedestal somewhere in their life, and they definitely feel that there is a strong sense of attraction and strong sense of admiration that he feels or she feels towards you. Okay, so what else does this person think about my person's viewing this? Thank you. These three. Okay. So we have Queen of Wands. They definitely see you as someone very attractive, someone very independent, someone very hardworking. Because Queen of Wands is someone who is in the whole tarot deck. She's someone who is very attractive, who's very charming, who's very, I would say, sexy, and also she's someone who's very magnetic. Okay, they definitely see you as someone who's just ticking all the boxes for them. We have Four of Cups. Yes, this person is in withdrawal energy. They may not be pouring into your cup, or they may not be giving you as much as you have given in this relationship. Maybe somewhere I can see that you have put your guards up. Somewhere you were feeling that this person is not understanding. Although they see you in a good light, they have so many feelings about you and they are missing you right now. But I also see that they were somewhere laid back with their attitude. And as you can see in this card, these two guys are just chilling. And this can also be, same sex, but you can take as it resonates. For some of you, I'm picking up this can be a same sex uh, relationship. Also, I can see that this person is quite laid back. They are not willing, although they know that you are someone who grabs the attention, you are someone who is ticking all the boxes, right? And you are someone who they would like to chase and have settle everything with you. But still, I can see uh, there is some limiting beliefs that they have. There are some certain boundaries that they have created. We have ace of, what does it say, ace of disc. Okay, so this is ace of pentacles, and I definitely see that he is or she is trying to do or trying to make some offer to you. Maybe if this is a no contact relationship, he soon is or they soon are going to contact you. Definitely I see this happening. Okay, so what else does this person on Sunbird's mind feel about them at the moment? Okay, we have Three of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. Okay, I definitely see for some of you, not all, but there is third party situation here, and I also see, or maybe this is not the third party, someone else. This can be someone who is. This can be their family, their friends, their relations, their work, or some other priorities that are coming between the connection that you both share. And I also see this is something related to. Let's clarify. What is this about? Spirit, please clarify the Three of Swords. We have the Devil, okay, and the Devil was reversed. So maybe it is something related to they having addictions and they are trying to let go of certain addictions because we have the Devil in reverse. So maybe they are trying to work upon them as they know that they have been laid back, they have been not so, what is that word? They were not so coming and they were not so giving as you were giving, my dear. But I see that they are willing to change because with the Devil reversed here, I definitely see they are planning to change. And with the Three of Swords, it makes a good combination because I can see that all the things that were holding him, all the things, all the addictions, all the bad behavior, or maybe some sort of self-limiting beliefs that they have about themselves or this connection, they are working upon them and they are letting them go. Whatever that is not serving them, they are definitely letting them go and thinking about having a long-term relationship with you and having some specific step to take with you in this connection. They are definitely thinking upon this. So we will look for some oracle cards. Okay, this is the channeled messages cards, and we will look into this further. First, we have our angel cards, love angel cards. Uh, what is that? Sorry, it confuses me a bit. What is that person on my viewer's mind thinking about them? Thank you. What is this person thinking about him? Let go of control issues. Okay, let go. Yeah, I definitely see they are trying to let go. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Okay. I'm able to understand the message that the spirits are trying to give here. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. See, I told you they are trying to get rid of their addictions. And we have the Devil reversed, which is clarifying this. And again, we have this card which clarifies it. So it's a confirmation that they are doing so. And I'm so happy that it came out like this. So they are definitely letting go of things that are holding them back, and we have this as their significator card. So they are making room for new changes, for new beginnings, and for everything fresh that they can have with you. We have retreat. Definitely, they are coming to reclaim you back. They are coming towards you. It is time to disconnect with the world. Definitely. Okay, so the message is here quite clear. Okay, this one wants to come out. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. Okay, so my dear beautiful souls, I can see that this person on your mind is currently in this in this energy, four of cups energy. They are not looking at the uh, things that are being offered to them right now, because at this time they are thinking more about what they need to bring change, what they need to do in order to have a life that is much more fulfilling to them. So maybe they are trying to take a back from you, or maybe they are trying to take a back from this connection. They might not have been very much communicative. There must have been some uh, conflicts as well. And I also see that something related to you, uh, you having your last conversation with them, and something that you said to them had a mark upon them, and they are thinking about that quite often, and they are trying to understand, and they are trying to evaluate the situation as to what is wrong that they are doing it till now, even after seeing the potential in you. But the good news is that they are taking this time off if they are distant and you are in no contact, or if you are in separation or in breakup, or if you are wanting to have them come back to you or reconciliation. So I definitely see that this person is disconnecting right now, and it is a good sign if they are doing this, because when they are taking this time alone, they are intricately trying to look upon themselves into their inner healings. We have shadows here. Let go of control issues. Whatever the shadows that they have, the dark shadows that are not helping them in any way, they are trying to work upon them. They are trying to let go of them. And when they have completely realigned themselves, when they have completely reclaimed their power back, they are going to come to you with a very heartfelt position. Yes. And they will be honest about it, because we have water here and it's quite calm at the above. But I definitely see that this person is going to come in with so many deep conversations with you. They would like to discuss about future with you. They would like to discuss about how they can make things right between you both, and they would also like to think upon as to what has gone wrong, and what else you can do to make it right. That is so beautiful if this person is doing this right now, and if they are really letting go of these issues. So this is a good place that they are coming from in the near future. Okay, so we have the channel messages, Lovers Oracle. What are the channel messages? Okay, that came on quick. No one understands me but you. I can't take it anymore. Yeah, I definitely see this person is somewhere also, a bit exhausted, feeling so much weight. I can see that this relationship is something that you have poured into so much, and you both have poured in so much, but you were the consistent one, and he was a person who would was on and off. But now they see that it is you who they actually want. What else, spirits? Please tell me what the person on their mind is thinking about them. I am the man. I am blocked. Okay, so if, my dear sunbirds, you have blocked this person, I would advise you to unblock them. Or maybe if you have somewhere, okay, if you don't feel like doing it, also, you are not required to do it. I'm also sensing that this person is going to come to you in any situation. But if they are someone whom, because I see this is long distance, so maybe it is not possible for them to come or to travel to you. But I definitely see that if this is something related to you talking over a online app or maybe some social media, and if you have blocked them, maybe give them a green light, or maybe unblock them if you only want. It's up to you. Okay. I wish to be like you. Is it over? Please do what is best for you, for your heart. Okay, we have so many cards. Don't you treat me the way you do, I don't deserve it. Why do I feel this way? Okay. So, my dear sunbirds, this person definitely on your mind is feeling like they are someone who has messed things up and they are not able, they are going through mixed feelings. Sometimes they are thinking as if they need to do something to make this work, and other times they are putting some self beliefs on them, limiting beliefs on them that this is not something that I can do. Maybe I see that this person is someone who has a lot of healing to do, and they have not visited their traumas of their childhood traumas. This can be related to how they were treated in their childhood, or maybe some relationship that they had in the past. It has something to do with their trust. They are not feeling open enough in the sphere of love that they need to let go of. I definitely see that they need to let go of these beliefs. Please do what is best for your heart. They definitely want to do something that is good for them, but at the same time they are feeling like, don't treat me the way you do, I don't deserve it. But I see you treating them in a very good way. Is this something related to how they perceive a situation? And we have, why do I feel this way? It's more definite to say here that your person is currently at crossroads. They are unable to decide for them that what is the best for them. And the best advice that I can provide you here right now is that you need to let this person on be their own. And I'm sure that they will. And we have so many cards here that are confirming this, that this person is going to come in. We have Nine of Pentacles here, and we have this honeymoon card. We have also letting go of control issues. So this person is definitely coming in, but until they have done the work, until they have done the healing, and they have let go of the things that are not serving them and this connection, until then I would advise you, my dear beautiful souls, to let this person on be their own. And when their time will be right, they will reach out to you and convey all the feelings that they have, which were needed to be addressed. So, this is where I exactly see you in your reading. I hope this resonates with you. I was trying to pick up on so many things at the same time. I hope it resonates with some of you. If it does, please like my channel, it helps the channel grow. And I will meet you in your next reading. Till then, bye bye.